One of the best ways to increase profit in your business is to add a one-time offer in your sales funnel. However, these type of offers take time to create, and the last thing you want is to have no cash flow. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put together a one-time offer and get paid in the process. Here's your product. It's a simple ebook. In this example, we'll take a weight loss product. In order to sell it, you need a sales letter. Now, let's assume you've got an audience. These are people from your email list, YouTube channel, Facebook group, Instagram followers, your blog, forums, and so on. You advertise your product to them and send them to your sales page. Let's say you sell your product for $19.95, and during the first month you sell 50 copies. That's about 1 to 2 sales a day. You've now made just under $1,000. Not bad. You can continue to sell that product, or you can create a new one. Let's assume you create a new product. So here's your second product, and here's a new sales letter to go with it. Again, you promote your offer to your followers, you sell this product for $19.95, and over the month you sell another 50 copies. And you make an extra $1,000. Not bad. Now, you repeat this process for another product. You create another ebook, write up another sales letter, and promote it to your following. And again, you make another 50 sales at $19.95 a copy and make another $1,000. You're now on a roll and decide to launch a new product every month for the next 10 months. So by the end of the year, you will have at least 10 unique products of your own. So what do you do with all these products? Well, you could promote these offers one by one to new followers over a period of time through your email autoresponder. You could create an ebook store so visitors can pick and choose what they want to buy. Or you could compile all your offers into a one-time offer and charge a higher price to increase your profit. Here's how you would go about doing this. First, you gather all your products. Then you put together a sales letter that explains the offer. To help you assemble the offer, you can take the graphics, screenshots, and descriptive parts of each product's sales letter and place it in your special offer to fill out the content. Then you gather new subscribers from your ongoing marketing, and instead of directing them to your previous products, you can send them to your special offer. Now, because you're selling close to $200 worth of product content, you can offer them a deal and say they can get everything now for about half the price. In this case, $97. This will increase your overall profits and help recuperate the cost of paid traffic, so that you can spend more on traffic, build a bigger following, and in turn, build your business faster. There is, however, one caveat to this. Even if you are delivering the value, you are asking new customers to spend nearly $100 with you in their first purchase. How well this works depends on how well you've put together the offer. It also depends on what niche you're in, what you're selling, and how you've warmed up your leads, as well as many other factors. So here's a better setup that includes both low-ticket and high-ticket offers. Instead of sending your subscribers directly to the $97 special offer, you can create another low-cost product and then redirect them to the special offer after they purchase. This way you pick up a $19.95 sale and a $97 sale. So the people that only want to spend a little with you can buy without being forced to spend $97. And those that want to buy everything from you have the option to do so. Now here's where you can increase your profits further. What if someone wants to spend $20 with you and are willing to buy more but not ready to spend $100 with you? Well, this is where your downsell comes in. At the bottom of your special offer page, you can give your customers the option to pass on the offer. So, instead of directing them to the access page to grab their product, you can direct them to a downsell page, where you offer half the amount of content for half the price. That way it's fair for those that bought the previous offer, and you still get to give your customers a good deal. So, here's a simple plan that you can follow. First, focus on building a following who are interested in a particular niche, like health and fitness, relationships, making money online, personal development, and so on. Then, in your first month, create your product and write up your sales letter. If you haven't got a product yet, then sell an affiliate product to get the sales in. The sale of your product will ensure you have cash flow. Then repeat this process and aim to get one product with one sales letter created every month for at least the next 10 months. Keep building your following, and every month you promote a new product to your followers, and you'll continue to make sales. When you have at least 10 products, compile them together into one special offer, total the price and then half it so it becomes a great deal. Then place your special offer behind any low-cost front-end offer that you create in the future. This will allow newcomers to buy one product, all your products from you in one session. Keep in mind that the more people that buy your front-end offer, the more people will see your special offer. So make your front-end offer very good. And lastly, create a downsell version of your special offer. Remove half the content and sell for half the price, and place it behind your special offer if they pass. With this setup, your customers now have the option to buy what they can afford and get the best buying experience from you and will ensure you maximize your profit. What you have now are the beginnings of a very profitable sales funnel. So here's a reminder of why you should do this and what problems it solves. Firstly, it gives you cash flow with every small product you sell. You don't need to spend a year creating the perfect system and worry about keeping up with expenses. Next, it builds your portfolio of offers and gives your customers more choice and products to buy. Then, it builds your sales funnel, which will increase the value of every visitor that comes to your site, as well as the lifetime value of every customer that buys from you. This in turn will make paid traffic more affordable. So, if you spend $1 on paid ads and get at least $1 back from your sales, you're building a following for free, which in turn builds your business faster so you can sell more products to them in the future. And once you have a profitable sales funnel, you can now set up an affiliate program and offer 50 to 75% commission to your affiliates. And if they consistently turn a profit promoting you, you now have sales coming in passively. What you now have are the building blocks of a very powerful sales funnel. This will ensure you build your business, minimize risk, and make sales in the process. If you like this video, then don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to build your first website to sell your own products, then be sure to visit the official site now from the link below. You'll get over 100 videos that show you what to do step by step. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.